Hello friend and welcome back. Today we are going to make chicken quiche. I hope you like it. I'm going to use pound of flour, half pound of butter, 2 egg yolk, 5 tablespoons of water, salt, sugar, and oregano. I will mix everything. I will add the spices, mix them. The egg yolk, add the water until the mixture is done. I will put it to rest at least 30 minutes before we start working. When it rests, I will start put it in the mold. You could use the small one or the big one. I will start poke them with the fork. I put some beans on the top and I will put them in the oven until they become golden. They took like 20 minutes in 325 degrees. In a pan, I will put some oil. I will add onion. I add some pepper, any color you like. I add some salt, black pepper, and garlic. Now I add some chicken. On the side, I took 4 eggs and cup of milk, 4 tablespoons of flour. I will add some salt, some black pepper, and some nutmeg, and I will mix them. I add some mozzarella and cheddar cheese, mix them. And I will add the egg mixture. I put the mixture on the top of the dough. And you could add some cheese on the top and put it in the oven until it became like this. This is my final quiche. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friend. Bye. See you soon.